If you want to get new theme of your icons on any Samsung smartphone, first of all you have to open the settings. From here you have to be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and then select themes. Open it, now you'll be moved into the Galaxy Themes store, go into the icons and tap on the right upper corner and search for some keyword phrase. Let's say that I want to get the free icons, so I have to click on it and I'm gonna click on the popular to get the top 3, the highest rated icons. And as you can see, currently it is dominated actually by the Christmas icons because this is the Christmas time. But if you are watching this video like 2 or 3 months after release, definitely it will be looks different. But let's say that I'm gonna pick this one. So click on the themes that you want to get, click on the download. Now wait for the downloading process, click apply. And now we have to scroll on the screen and here we've got our new theme of the icons. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.